Hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edu Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. And today, we're gonna talk about this bad boy here. So stay tuned. This is VGR V257. It got a 500 milliamp battery. It's small, but weight. And 1.5 hours charging and 100 minutes operating time. It's good. It's really good. Almost 2 hours, you know. So, and the blade got logo, which is good. And the LCD display, it's rating 6,500 RPM. So we're gonna talk about that later. So let's open it. So let's keep this aside. You got a manual, charging cable, 1, 2, 3 guards, and a little brush. So let's talk about this bad boy. It's really a bad boy, believe me. It's really small, but oh, you know. Got logo here, which is very, very good. I wish Kemi will be doing this also. Here is the on and off switch, and it's 0 gapped, stock 0 gapped. You see? This is the best thing. It's really good. You see that? I didn't 0 gap it, nothing. I just opened the box and it's like this, man. I was surprised. The best, USB charging, USB Type-C. Of course, it's plastic, you know. And got LCD display here, which is good. And we'll talk about the blade later, you know. So let's make some sound check, you know. It's vibrating, bro. You see that? Vibrating. It's really pretty small, but good, really good. So let me measure it, because this is the smallest trimmer I've ever bought, you know. It's 121 millimeter. Let's test the RPM. It's 5,571. If you know you like my video, a sub will be really, really good. And for those of you that wanna know if maybe this trimmer is able to be 0 gapped, yes, you can 0 gap the stock blade, which is very, very good, you know. And you don't need to 0 gap it. I mean, the one I bought, I didn't 0 gap it, and it's sharp already. Now this is the new one that you don't need to buy extra blade. It's already sharp and 0 gapped, you know, and very cheap. You cannot just open it here. You just need to snap it out. Snap. You see that? If you want to 0 gap it, just take the spring to one side, this spring to the other side, unscrew a little bit, zero gap it, screw it, then put the spring back. That's it. Then you just need to put it back. You set to go. That's it. You see that? It's really a good one. Really a good one. So, before I forget, a big giveaway is coming when I hit 1,000 subscribers. A very, very big giveaway is coming. Okay? Peace, man. Okona,